Guys, what is up? YT Chris plays Roblox, back to y'all with another video. Today I will just be just doing some like I'm just gonna be finding some stuff in the catalog. My friend right here, he might give me the catching snowflakes. Let me show y'all this one. I've had it twice before, but I sold it or I traded it for something. But right now I need it because I want it right now really bad, and I'm just gonna be looking for some stuff. I did get this just a while ago. Let's see this. What is this? I don't have enough of this because, as you can see, we only have. Whoops. We only have 1,604 Robux. It's not too much, and it's not. It's like normal. I just want to see what they have, what we're gonna be getting, and also I might be friends with Goobies. If y'all watch Napkin 8, make sure to go and never mind. Okay, if y'all watch Napkin 8, this was Papa Goobies. He changed his name, obviously. He got the Dominus Praefectus. He did get this. The Ninja Bling. I was in a game with this girl. He's friends with my username. Who's this? Hey, he's playing. He changed his name back to my username. Who's this? That's what. Just gonna go ahead and buy a shirt to be friends with him. Okay, there we go. 1 second. I just got this new keyboard. I really like how it sounds. It's like a rainbow, it changes colors. This is like the only thing you can find me. I do not know what this is. I'm not gonna buy it right now because I really do not want him to only be. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm sorry. You saw that? 1 second. Let me refresh. Already 3,000. I could sell it and get like a ton of Robux. I just need to buy limiteds because I have no limiteds right now. I can show y'all my limiteds that I had before. I had this one. Only 4.5k. I had this. I had one more, but I didn't add it to my profile. It was called the radioactive hat. Hold up, let me see. Catalog. This one. It rises up already to 14.5. I should have kept this thing. Somebody was trying to scam me for that radioactive thing. It was funny, but it didn't work. They tried. They were like, I could get you a Valkyrie helm If you do this for this. I might want to buy a new animation, even though I just got the levitation animation. I really want to do the werewolf animation, but it's for the video, so I might do it for the video. I don't know what y'all think, though. Go back into the catalog. Let's see if he's playing, because if he is, I might as well join him. Okay, 1 second. Okay, let's go to some body parts. Let's go to packages. I have most of the ones that I want. I might. Let's go ahead and close that up. This up and that up. Okay. Might get zombie. But then, um, nothing really that much. This is stupid. Let's see. Oh no. Let's go to animations. I might as well just buy the werewolf animation right now, but I don't know. What is this? Do not, just do not. No. Never mind. I don't know. Let's just go to view all items. See what we got. I might not buy anything, or I might buy something. I really want this blue top hat. I just don't know. Okay, let's go ahead and join. Never mind, he's actually offline. Yep, I'm pretty sure he's actually. Oh, never mind. One. Oh, yeah. He's currently wearing it right now. Let's go to trade items. I have no limiteds right now. This. I like this. Send request. That's stupid, but I already knew that, so let's say, come on, please respond. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and buy one thing. I'm just gonna look for a shoulder thing, not shoulder thing, but something on my back, and then I will end it there. I'm just gonna keep this thing open right here, where I could see. I want this shoulder dragon. It's really not bad. I might not buy anything. It's just depending on I find anything good. Because right now there seems to be nothing really that good. Can you tell me what's the big thing with Oversphere? Because I really do not understand Oversphere. What the heck? It was... No way. No freaking way. It was just 9999999. It was 999.99 million. Or billion, actually. Now it's 1 million. Oh my goodness. Kind of really stupid. I'm just gonna go ahead and probably buy this. I have no clue though. Guys, I'm very sorry if I don't buy anything. Might just want to buy a fedora. Gonna go ahead and get this. Because it is only 298 Robux. Now it is 300. Okay, let me go ahead and send him a trade. Send him a trade. Just give him this for that. Center fast. Okay. Okay, I have sent him a trade. Probably will be ending this video right here. I could have bought this, but I really do not feel like it. Really need to catching snowflakes. Okay, come on. If he doesn't respond, I will be ending the video right here. Come on, buddy. Come on, answer, buddy, answer. He is offline right now. So I will be ending the video right here. Guys, peace out. I hope y'all have a good week and day. And peace!